Perfect, perfect, perfect.
What's up, guys? It's Turbo Tuesday. You know what that means? We are at Twin Peaks for Turbo Tuesdays, and we're about to see some cool cars. Come along for the ride. Let's check it out. Let's go. He must have got pulled off. Oh, no, it's all right. You're watching Tater Nader, Accelerate with Faith, entertaining automotive content. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the action. Let's go.
Let me get this guy shot.
Thanks, bro.
Y'all get too close. 20-footer.
I like it, dude.
That's a good angle.
It's patina, brother. Patina.
I thought it was a paint job at first. I can't even buy it.
What up? Corvette boys? Dude, whose Stingray is this? Dang! You guys know this guy? Dude, that's clean, bro. Look at that. Comment below. Is this the best? Is this their favorite car? Comment below. Got a little bit of a race car here. I like it. I like it. We got somebody in a truck. What kind of truck we got over here? Oh dang, dude! That thing is massive, bro. Massive, massive, massive. Oh, yeah, my favorite, the Prelude. I'll send you. What up? What up? What we got over here? We got some Beamers. Over there, sick. Oh yeah, got some sick ones right here. My camera's going crazy. Oh yeah, we got them Miatas going hard right here. All right. What we got here? Little Harley Davidson action, loving it. Up. Comment below. Do you guys like the lights in there like that? Is that cool? Is that cool like that? I think it's pretty cool. Let me know.
Perfect, perfect.
2 Teslas. Not one Tesla. We got 2 Teslas. Okay. Oh, my homie with the Suzuka. Love that. Oh yeah, dude, thanks, Cody. guys, so we're super excited about the new merch launch. You can see, looks great. And this month, we're actually gonna be doing a giveaway. So any product on the Zazzle store, Taternator's Zazzle store, you get to pick it out. There's gold watches, there's floor mats, there's shirts, hats, all kinds of stuff. You get to pick out any product that you want, and I'll get it shipped directly to you. So how do you enter the giveaway? It's simple. You just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then comment below. Let me know what design that you like the best on the store. And then at the end of the month, and I'll randomly select the winner from that list. I'll direct message you, and then you can get me your information, and I'll get that product sent directly to you guys. All right, there's some of our new designs laid out real nice. You got the keychain, a couple of the shirts. All right, and then Carolyn's wearing the ladies shirt. She's modeling it. I got her one. All of these designs come in come in ladies cuts. She's looking good in the Taternator shirt there.
It's very nice.
Is it nice? Good
yeah,
material?
It feels nice. It's light.
And I'm here sporting the hat and the SC300 tee right there. You can get these in every single color: blue, green, white, pink. You can get it in long sleeve, short sleeve, hoodies.
Yeah, fall's coming up.
Thanks for supporting. There'll be a link down below where you can go straight to Zazzle to order from them. Really premium packaging. Everything is really, really nice. It came in about a week. Zazzle handles everything super professional, fantastic, great customer service. So we're really excited about that. Let's go. All right, guys, we're having a great time. You know what time it is. We got to do a vibe check. We're having a good time. The vibes are high. Everyone's having a good time, making friends, getting some subscribers. I got to give this one a nice 8.8. A little small, but great times. You got to give it to the Bamboozled Club. They put in a lot of work to bring you awesome car shows, car content. Give a shout out. Check them out on Instagram, Bamboozled Car Club. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's go.